Okay, so as we have done our algorithm part and flowchart part of our assignment, okay, now we are going to see how to do a Python programming. Okay, so I'm going to show you a Python programming in Jupyter Notebook. Okay, so our problem statement is mentioned as it is. Now we are going to start with our first one, that is entering the basic pay from the user. So here you can see here basic pay variable is used. Okay, then I have used here input function. Then this is nothing but a normal text message that enter the basic pay. Now, whatever you are mentioning in a input function, that will be considered by default as a string. So in order to consider it is in data type, that is integer data type, I can use here int and then input function and whatever the text. In order to next print that basic pay, I can use here print and then normal text message and then variable value. So let's try to run this much. So you can see here he is mentioning that enter the basic pay. So let's say 12. Then you can see here basic pay is printed as 12. Okay. So now let's move ahead for next one, that is HRA calculation. So how HRA calculator? So HRA is nothing but 10% of basic pay. So let's see 10% of basic pay. That means what? Divide by 100, right? And then multiply by 10. In short, what it will be? So instead of writing this much, I can directly mention it as basic pay multiplied by 0.01, right? So this is a 10%, right? Then TA calculation, TA is traveling allowance. That is how it will be calculated. That is basic pay and 2%. So 0.02, right? It is a 2% calculation. Then next one is what we have to calculate professional tax. But professional tax is on total salary. So we have to calculate first total salary. So let's say total salary. How it will be calculated? That is basic pay, right? Plus HRA plus T, right? So this is a total salary calculation. So let's try to print that total salary. Firstly, say total salary is, right? So how you're going to print that? Say that variable name. Okay. So that we will run it later on first. Only a two statement is remaining, right? Now we have to calculate professional tax, which is what? 2%. So let's say professional tax, I'm using here prof underscore tax. You can use any kind of variable name. Just make sure it will suggest or it will indicate a proper purpose. That professional tax will be what? How it will be calculated? That is total salary and 2%. Sorry, here there will be a 5%, right? Huh. And total salary and professional tax will be 2%. So point not 2. Okay. So this is a professional tax. And after that, we have to calculate salary payable. So how the salary payable will be calculated? As I already told you, right? That is nothing but total salary minus. I'm copy pasting because in order to avoid the name confusion. Okay. So that will be professional tax, right? And after that, I'm going to print our salary payable. That means after the deduction, salary payable will be. So that will be displayed. So let's see this one. Yes, are you getting this? So let's try to run this. Okay. I hope everything is perfect. So let's run it. So basic pay, let's say 1,000 or 100, and total salary is this, and salary payable is 112.7. So that's perfect. Okay. So this was what? Just a Python programming of employees. Okay. So what we have done, we have accepted a basic pay from the user. Then we have calculated HRA, then TA, then total salary, that is basic pay plus HRA plus TA, and then professional tax, which is a 2% of total salary, and then salary payable after that. Okay, so this was just a simple Python programming. Okay, so I hope you got this.